Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to create a PDF file using a third-party DLL called iTextSharp with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. And I have also shown you how to create a paragraph in the PDF file and how to create a new page in the PDF file. So if you have some doubts and you don't know how I created the PDF file, then just watch the last video. And this is the code we have written last time. Now in this video I want to show you how to add a list to your iTextSharp PDF file using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So basically I'm going to use the same code to create the document, but in this document I am going to add a list. So let's see how can we do it. But first of all, let's enclose our code in a try catch block so that if any error occurs it can catch the exception. So at the top of my button click event I will write try and I will press enter, and this will make a try catch block, and I will copy all the code I have written last time and I will paste it in the try block. What you can also do is you can give a finally clause in your try catch block, and you can close this document in the finally. So finally, when your try code is executed, then this will be called and your document will be closed. Okay, so this also you can do, but I will give in the try block itself my close of my document, and in the catch block I'm going to show the exceptions. I will say message box dot show, and I'm going to show the exception. So I will say ex dot message. Okay, so this will show any exception if any exception occurs. Now I am going to create only one page, so I will delete this code which I have written for creating the new page, and this is my code for making a paragraph in a PDF file. Now I want to add a list in this, so I will go below this line where I have written PDF doc.add a new paragraph which says hello world, and just below this I will create a list. So in here I will just first of all copy and paste my code. This is the code to create the list, and now I will explain what this code is doing. In this code I have declared a variable called list as a object of a class list from your iTextSharp class. Okay, and then in the bracket I have passed the argument which kind of list this is. So I will say copy this list dot unordered. This unordered can be changed with number of type of list. For example, alphabetical list, numerical, ordered, unordered, uppercase. These are all the options you can choose, but for now I'm choosing unordered list. Okay, so this is the list, and in the second line I'm providing the indent. So let's just comment this line for now, and I will show you what this indent is doing afterwards. And then I will just copy my list object dot add, and I will add a new list item in this list. So I will say new list item, and just in the bracket just pass whatever list item you want to give, for example 1. And in this same way I'm going to add some more item in the list, so just write list dot add, and whatever item you have. I have added 4 more item to my list, which are 2 3 4 5. So I have the list of 1 2 3 4 5, which is an unordered list, right? And then I create a paragraph which can be the title of your list. So just write or just copy this PDF doc object dot add, and just add a new paragraph. So just write new paragraph, and inside this write the title of your list, and then after this just add the list itself. So just write pdf doc.add list, which is your this list. Now when I run the program and when I click this create PDF, it is created in my project folder, if you remember last time, right? So project folder bin debug, and this is my PDF file. So I will open this, and you see here a list is created, which is an unordered list and which contains the item 1 2 3 4 5. Now every time you run your program, for example, just I click this create PDF, you need to close this PDF, otherwise this will show an error. So right now, for example, my PDF is opened and I'm trying to create a PDF which is open in my Acrobat reader, right? So I click this button, it will show an error. You see, this is the error message which is coming from try catch block, and it's showing the message that the process cannot be uh, cannot be cannot be processed because this is used by another process, right? And once you close your PDF file and once again you create PDF, then it will not show any error. So you just remember that whenever you are creating the PDF, your PDF should be closed, right? So this is a small tip. Now suppose we want to add a indent to our list. Indent is just like the spaces, just like this. So it's one indent, two indent, just like this. And the unit of indent is F. So I'm providing 30 F indent to the left. Left is this side. Okay, so this is the indent part. Okay, now when I run the program once again and I create the PDF and I open the PDF once again, you can see we have an indent in our list, which is this part of the list item. So in this way you can give the indent to your list. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more list, which is of a kind Roman list. So this is a normal list, and you can add different type of list with in your PDF file. So this time I'm going to add a Roman list, right? So just below my where I have ended adding the list, and above my PDF docs.close, I will copy and paste the Roman list code here. So this is the Roman list code. So we have once again declared a variable of class Roman list. So just write dim Roman list as new Roman list, and in the bracket just write true comma 20, and then just copy this Roman list variable, and once again we are going to provide the indent. So just write Roman list dot indent left, so it will provide the indent to the left is equal to 30f. Whatever you can play with this unit to give the indent, and then I have simply added the new items to my list like this, like I have done for my last list, right? And then in the paragraph I have given a new title to my list, which is a Roman list, and then I have added the Roman list itself to my document. So this is a code for creating a Roman list, and once again I will run my program and I will click create list, and once again when I open this, you see there is a Roman list. Roman list means these list items are in Roman case, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now suppose you want to add one list inside other list. This can also be done. So for example, you want to add this normal unordered list in your Roman list, what you can do is you can just delete or not delete but comment this title of this list first. So I will just comment this. So this is the title because we are going to insert this normal list inside this Roman list. So I have commented out the title, and I will copy the title of the list and add to the instead of fifth item I'll add list here. So just in the Roman list, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the title of my list, and in the next line I will copy this code once again and paste it down, and I will copy the list variable we have created, which is list itself, and in here I will paste this list variable. So what this code will do is it will create a list of Roman list, and inside this list we have another list which is nested list, which is of kind or unordered list. So let's see what is the result of this kind of list. Create document, and I will open my simple PDF once again, and you can see here I have the Roman list, and inside my Roman list I have my normal list. So to make it more clear, I'm not going to add my list in here inside my document, but I will just show the Roman list, and I will just cut this and I will add it after the second item. So if you want, just copy this code, and once again when I run the program, create document, it's already open, so I will need to close it. Once again click, and I will open my document, and now you can understand better. So after my second Roman list item, I am inserting the third item, which is a list. Okay, so you can make a nested list also. So in this way you can make list with your iTextSharp DLL and your Visual Basic Windows Form application project. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.